when I first met you. Sincerely, no lie, I was thinking this is meant to be. She's so fly, and just the kind of lady that the doctor ordered. Yes, the same look in her eyes, the one in her daughter. And I can't tell you how much you mean to me. I can only show you my love, but you be my queen, so you don't have to worry, you don't have to wonder. Just keep it real, let no man take us under.
I love, but he doesn't seem to love back. My love left and my love ain't coming back. I miss him, but I hate him for that. How could he just leave with no reason? Was it me or was it just the season? My eyes is puffy and my chest is wheezing. Only your voice can stop the weeping. The smell of your scent won't stop reeking. That's what I'm needing.
Did I make a mistake? Did I tell the story right? Wasn't it beautiful how we just laid all night? Listening to our heartbeat, sparking this sweet melody enough to let our souls fly free. Let our minds take flight, let our dreams run wild. And talk about this love, how we made this child, how we made these vows, how we consecrated, how we took the everyday and made it sacred.
Thought that one day this could be something. Hope that one day we could be something. Now you got me waiting when you know you ain't coming. Got all dressed up, feel less than a woman. You brought me to this point, don't even see it. Don't have to flip a coin, either way I'm leaving. You left me with no other choice. Unknown, you ever hear my voice.
Speak to me, let me know what's on your mind. I'm thinking about you all the time. The feelings that you represent make me feel like the president. You're as evident, your flow is just what I need. So take my hand, girl, and let me lead you to a place you never been before. Show you things you never saw and more. This is simply a love you can't ignore.